So I have to go to the post office and drop off a hard drive for a customer who purchased all their raw footage from their wedding, and I thought this would be a good video to talk about the extras we offer with our company and how you can make yourself some more money. So let's go. I charge $750 to purchase my raw footage. That comes with a hard drive that we're gonna mail back to you, and yeah, you're gonna get everything: the audio, the drone, the files, doesn't matter. 500 gigabyte solid state drive. So we don't go cheap. We're not getting them a cheap hard drive. We're getting them a solid state drive, something that's dependable, secure, and should last them. Another thing we offer is a raw footage film. This one's becoming more popular. We do the raw footage film for $1,500. Another thing we offer is obviously ceremony edits, toast edits. No matter if a couple's ordered that or not, the day of, we're filming a full ceremony, full toasts in their entirety with 4 cameras. Those I sell for $500 a piece. Those go out the door, you know, really easy as well. Couples almost always come back for one, if not both of those. A big one that we're selling and seeing more of for next season is the wedding weekend, where we have couples who have a little deeper pockets and they want to add multiple days of shooting to their wedding film, which is great for us because it's more content at different locations. It can keep a film really interesting, and it's just moving into that next level. We got quite a few of those booked for next year. That is a $1,500 add-on, and we'll come shoot for you for up to 8 hours more. Sometimes we get full drone footage video requests where we have, and it's mostly the grooms that they just geek out over drone footage, and we offer a video of just all of our drone clips stacked together, nothing fancy, and we sell that one for $350. If you want me to do a full brochure video and I break down everything and how we built it out, the reasons behind it, and how we even sell it, because this brochure right here has definitely made us the most money. That's gonna do it for this video, Vlogmas video number 3. Even though these aren't fully like vlogs, I'm trying to show you snippets in the beginning of what I'm doing during the day, and we're working on our version of whatever this is going to end up being. But I appreciate each and every one of you. If you haven't already, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and we will see you tomorrow.